Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2019 Audi SQ5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, wireless charging station, heads-up display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, refrigerated storage, audio-digital sound processing, Audi Connect satellite communications. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.